Could this be the last real cold night?
This winter? I'm not going to say it is. I mean, I think we'll get another cold front that'll come through. It'll cool us down. Maybe not in the 30s like we may see in some places tonight, but 40s not out of the question. So it's not quite over yet, even though spring is coming up Tuesday of next week.
Wow.
So maybe the groundhog got it right. A little confused, though, because February was too warm. KCK webcam showing a nice looking sunny afternoon, but albeit on the cool side. I'm sure some of you guys can attest to that. Walking up and down some of the area beaches, a little bit cooler than average. In fact, 10 degrees below what it normally is. It's normally around 75 to 78 degrees. Well, a different story, though. At least you're not experiencing this if you're visiting from the northeast. Still, that low pressure area hanging on, still rotating around out here in the Atlantic as it heads off very slowly to the northeast. That wraparound effect still bringing snowfall into New York, Vermont, New Hampshire. Good news if you like skiing, because that snow is going to stick around for a long time up there in the northeast. For us, the watches and warnings are in place to our north. That is a freeze warning, meaning temperatures in the blue. You'll see temperatures there 32 degrees or below for a few hours, and the area in red indicates high fire danger that may be expanded our way. In fact, we're meeting the criteria right now with the humidity at 30% and winds in excess of 10 miles an hour. They're at north-northwest at 16 now, and the pressure 30-10. That's way up there. That continues to rise, and the high today was only 66. Look at the low this morning, too, 43. We'll be at this number or slightly below it to start things off tomorrow morning. Well, temperatures right now into the low 60s up and down the coast. A little bit warmer inland, but not much. Waterleaf at 63, Parrish. You're at 62 degrees, the Meadows at 63, and Braden and Country Club pretty much the same. Laurel Oak at 63 degrees, and Northport, you're at 65. Inglewood, 62, and Venice now the same. Now, the forecast calls for that area of low pressure finally to get out of here. High pressure continues to move in from the west to the east, but it's slow and moving, so we're seeing this north to northwesterly flow around the area of high pressure. This high will eventually park to the east of the state over the weekend. As this system kind of bumps it out of here, you can see a winter storm developing over the central United States into Omaha and places to the east of that in Iowa. This frontal boundary, we'll watch it. It doesn't appear that it's going to have a huge impact on us. It may bring us a little bit of high cloudiness now and again on Saturday, but not a problem. We're going to look at a very nice weekend. Temperatures for lows tonight, as I mentioned, near the coast into the low to mid 40s, some upper 30s while inland. Highs tomorrow, once again below average, but it should be a real nice afternoon. Not as windy as it was today. And we'll see temperatures still well below average, but lots of sunshine around. So it should be, for a lot of people, a spectacular afternoon, especially folks who have to endure the long summers here. But 43 on Friday morning. We'll see temperatures warming back into the 70s, though, by Friday afternoon. So that'll be nice. And then GFS forecast is showing no clouds around tomorrow. Clouds kind of void as a result of that high pressure ridge being right over the top of us. Here comes that front. You'll notice it kind of fades away on Saturday and Sunday. Monday and Tuesday, there's a chance for some rainfall. More so on Tuesday as we start spring. This front will come through with a chance for a few showers coming our way. Temperatures now 32 in Toronto, 38 in Boston, Minot at 36, and Dallas at 69 degrees, and Atlanta 51. Northeast winds brisk to start the morning off for boaters at 15 knots, and then seas running 2 to 3 feet. They'll subside to 5 to 10 in the afternoon, turn more northwesterly in time. Here's your extended forecast. So a cold morning Thursday, highs upper 60s, back in the 70s on Friday after a chilly start. St. Patrick's Day looks great, 77, lots of sunshine. Sunday even better, 79, and then into the 80s on Monday. A chance for showers, I mentioned, on Tuesday. We'll be right back after this.